Guys, it's Rainbow's Gaming, and today we are doing another Phantom versus gameplay on the channel. Roblox just released yesterday that all maps have a vending machine, but nobody seems to know that. They said that, and nobody seems to know where it is. So we're gonna try doing it, trying to get it on the map. VIP server is not compatible with it, but if you leave the server, all of your progress is deleted. But if you get the Jade Key and then leave the server, the Jade Key itself, like the item to give you the crown, and you're fine, but it will still delete the Jade Key, a weapon, out of your inventory for all the servers after that. Or you'll have to do it again. If you do it on a public server now, then you will end up keeping your key, keeping all your progress.
Okay, empty. Oh, my coffee. Okay, thank you. Gotcha, thank you. Love you.
No! Call me danger. Hurry. Just count me down on them ball. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a like on the video. We're going to be doing something really special when we hit 100 subscribers. So tell your friends, tell your family, tell anybody you know to come subscribe to my channel. And I might be doing face cam soon. Oh jeez. See? What the? Roar. Razor 90 execute me. Roar. So let's go look for that vending machine. And this has, I think it's on one of the tall ones or in the gas station. Okay, not in this house. In here. I'm gonna go up. Oh guys, and here's the second location that you can put the key into. A few more houses to check here. Ow! Oh my god!
What?
Okay, check these. This. Check this. Oh, ooh, huh. Flash. Okay, nothing in here.
For mine? Yeah. In my right pocket of my jacket. Maybe in my purse? I don't know. No, actually, they're not in my purse because I cleaned my purse yesterday.
Oh ho. Oh, 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 oh. There we go. Get that up here. I have one other idea of where it could be, potentially. Ah! What the? Holy cow, that scared me. So, I have one other hunch where it could be. It's either the circular thing, gas station, or in one of those houses. Let's go run up there. Okay, let's check in here. Nope. Right in here. Toilet. Empty room. They took out the bars on the windows. That's helpful. Okay, check in this room. Check in this room. Check in this room. Okay, not in this house. No! What? I'm changing back to my pistol. That's it. Secondary Glock 17. Let's still check gas station. No! Found the vending machine! Guys, I found it! I found it! I was the first one to find it as a YouTuber. Yes! Okay, let's keep our enter. Okay, this should be easy because this is a really easy vending machine. Yes! We found it, people! We found it! Go, 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 go. Go!